Hey there, Benji here. I've made you a poster. This is for you. This is going to be the key for you to make $100,000 in 2019. And we're going to jump in and I'm going to show you what it is. I sort of wish that I had like the little black curtain on a little string that I could pull back, but I'm going to figure out how to blur that out so you don't see it yet. But before we do jump in, I really wanted to say this is probably the video I'm most excited about making out of any other video I've made on this channel, because it's a new goal for us. We're going to work together. We're going to achieve some awesome stuff together in 2019, and this is the start of that. So let's jump in.
Amazon is now worth $1 trillion.
More opportunity than ever.
We're projecting 250K.
All of a sudden the sales just came flooding in, and
I just hit $10,000 in 15 days.
And I'm like calling my mom, it worked.
So if you're not 100% aware of what we do here at Freedom Formula, basically we take products from a really cheap price from Alibaba, something that we have a passion around or we want to build a brand around. We customize and improve the product, and then we buy them in wholesale for really cheap, import them to the USA, and sell them on Amazon FBA for a lot more money. And Amazon FBA is the world's biggest marketplace with literally hundreds of millions of shoppers there every single day buying your products. And we teach people how to do this and scale their business and really replace their 9-to-5 jobs. And we've been doing this on this YouTube channel all through 2018, and you guys have seen some awesome results. For the people who have followed along and taken action on the stuff we teach, here are some of the results that we've actually got. So I'm actually going to zoom through these because we have so many. We literally have hundreds of people, hundreds of you awesome people who have taken action and got results on Amazon. These are just a handful of it. Here's a Les from the Czech Republic who made $11,000 in 4 months. Here's Ryan, who did $10,000 in his first 14 days. Joe has been absolutely killing it. Vanessa from Spain did $10,000 in her first 3 months. Bobby McLaughlin absolutely knocked it out of the park, hitting $10,000 of sales on Amazon in just 2 weeks. John and Jacqueline, they've been absolutely crushing it as well. You can see Jay David, this is a recent one. Congratulations to you, Jay. You've done $41,000 over the last 30 days on Amazon. Bag has been doing great. We got Alexander. There's just so many of these amazing people who have taken action on the content we've given them and actually seen the results that we're promising. You can see John Warburn did $4,000 in the last 7 days. Robert Alexander did $5,000 in the last 7 days. Eric's made over $51,000 on Amazon, and he hit his first $10,000 in 38 days. And there's literally hundreds of you guys who are taking action on this content and seeing these results for yourself. So congratulations to you. And when I see these results, it does actually really make me happy that the work that we're putting in here, me and Evan, at teaching you guys this stuff is actually paying off for you. And you guys are getting started with entrepreneurship. You're making a couple $1,000s a month and you're scaling it from there and, you know, replacing your full-time income. So you're not a slave to the workplace and you have more time to spend with your family, friends, and just pursuing whatever you actually want to pursue in your life. So it's been awesome to watch that evolution. But you know, Evan and I have spoken, we've sat down, we've just moved into a new house here in Austin, Texas, and we really want more for you guys, and we want more for more of you guys. So we came up with this thing, back to the cool poster I've made that I'm about to reveal. We have created something called the 100K Club. Pow. So our goal in 2019 right here, it's going to be an awesome year. We literally have a 12-month lease on this place that we just moved into. Actually, here's a quick house tour. Cool, so that's what our place looks like at the moment. We don't have any furniture or anything, but this is the 100K Club, and basically we want to take 100 of you guys and make sure that you're making $100,000 or more in 2019 with Amazon FBA. So that's our starting point. That's our high achieving goal that we really want to achieve for us and for you guys. And so we're like, what is the best way to do that? Now, the best way to do that is to ask you guys what's stopping you from achieving this. So I put up a poll on YouTube, and these are the answers that we got. So you guys are looking for more mentorship, you're looking for more affordable courses, and you're also looking for a step-by-step blueprint to getting there. So that's exactly what we've got for you. And it's going to be really exciting because tomorrow I'm going to announce something special. And I want to make sure that you're getting notified for this. So click the link in the description to go and get notified as soon as this comes out. But we're launching a mentorship program where we're going to work with people almost one-on-one. We're going to give weekly coaching calls. We're going to give them the blueprint to success. So it's going to be an affordable price that you guys can actually afford, and none of these $5,000 courses that are going around. So it's called the Amazon Mentorship Program, and it's basically we're going to be here for you in 2019 through this program, on calls every week. And we really want to help you scale from knowing absolutely nothing about Amazon, if that's where you are, to having a business that's pulling in over $100,000 next year and replacing your full-time income. That's our goal. This post is going to stay behind me for all the videos, and as people go into the 100K club, they're going to go up here with their photos, and we're going to fill this over the next, I guess we got a little bit more time. It's more than 365 days because we're starting a little bit early. You know, we start tomorrow, which means you get the time to go through the course, learn all the lessons, order your products, get them into Amazon. So at the start of 2019 in January, they're already starting selling, they're already starting to build momentum, and you're going to be more likely to clear the $100,000 that year. So I want to get a little edge on the year. So to show you who's already on this 100K club, this is Robert, who has absolutely crushed it over the last year and a half with his business. And this is Val, who's actually really recently crossed the 100K mark, and I think he's only been selling for about 5 months. I'm going to go do a couple in-depth deep dives with everybody who is in this 100K club. Which number on this board up here is you? I want you to ask yourself that, because this is going to be full of people who are starting at nothing right now. They literally don't have an Amazon business, or they don't even know how to do it. And those people's faces are going to be up here on this board by the end of next year, having made $100,000 in sales. So pick a number, pick one of these numbers, and your face could be here, and this could be the amount of money that you pull in your Amazon store. So this is real, this is reality, this is what we're going to do. If you want to be a part of it, I'd love for you to be a part of it. And now's your chance. We're going to be opening this to a very, very limited amount of people, because we want to make sure we're working quite intimately with them, you know, making sure we're giving personalized advice and being able to give them a lot of time. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Sorry about touching that mic like that, it might have hurt your ears. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Go sign up to get notified as soon as we make the announcement of what this exact program is. I'll make another video explaining it all. If you have any questions, definitely write them below. But I'm excited to get as many people into this 100K club as possible. The goal's 100. If we accidentally get 200 people in, I'm not going to be mad. So again, have any questions, put them below. Don't forget to join our Facebook group where you guys can stay in touch. And I'll see you tomorrow for the big announcement.